Hi everyone, Kevin here. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. If you use Excel and data from PDF files, you're probably going to find this tip useful. Mike Folson from Microsoft Education is going to show how you can use Excel to extrapolate data from a PDF file table and bring it back into the workbook. Let's begin.
This micro tip will show you how to import PDF table data right into Excel without any add-ins or extra tools. So here's a PDF I have open and it has a bunch of different information. What I really want is this table right here. Now if I selected this table normally and copied it and tried to paste into Excel, it's a bunch of junk. So let's do it the right way. Switch to the Data tab here and then choose Get Data. And then go to From File and choose From PDF right here. Now select Sample Data and click Import. This brings up the little dialog that lets you select the data. So here are the different tables that it found in that PDF. So I don't want that one. I don't want that one. Here's the one that I want. All the speed, driver, car information. If I wanted to change the data, maybe I didn't want a certain column in here, maybe I want to get rid of it, I could click Transform Data and go Modify it before importing. But I'm just going to click Load right here. And there it is. It's imported right into Excel. This is a fully sortable table, everything I can normally do with Excel directly from my PDF.
I hope you found this information useful. If you're new here, click up here to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you'd like to watch another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday, you can click up here. That is all for now. I hope you have a great rest of your week.